Hello everyone, position your hand in this kind of position on top of a white sheet of paper and then trace it out using a marker only for the top. 2 lines at the top and this will form the ears. Slightly add to the details, and as for the bottom, add this sort of chubby cheek shape. Once you have done this, at the top you may add eyes as well as the eyelids and the pupils. In the center, begin to draw a mouth. Draw a smiley face, connect it to the center as such, and then draw the bottom as well. Add 2 circles on the side. On the right side, you may draw the arm extending outwards and then draw the bottom of the body. Add small little legs and then add little feet as well. At the back, you may add the thunder tail. Once you are entirely done with this will be Pikachu. So color it in yellow and red accordingly. Next, put your hand in this position once again, trace it out till the bottom. At the top, add antenna-like shapes and then on either of the fingers, add an inside circle. Draw an almost oval line at the bottom and then draw the eyes as well as the cute little smiley face. Don't forget to draw in the eyes, add some little eyelashes. Draw dots to signify the nose and then draw a little stem of hair accordingly. It may also be a leaf or a little branch. Then, for the rest of the body, draw little spots. At the top, you may also add a little branch there as well. This will make it look like the giraffe is eating from the tree. Once you are done, color it up in yellow and brown. Don't forget to color the leaves in as well with green and yellow. Measure it. Next, draw on the tracing of your hand on a sheet of paper, leaving the little finger and the thumb finger out. Join the bottom in an almost oval shape and then draw a V shape at the bottom. We will be making corn, so starting from the top, draw some lines ending downwards. After this, draw some horizontal lines as well, and this will signify the corn. Draw a small little hair at the top like corn usually has and then draw the markings on the leaf of the corn. At the bottom, don't forget to add the little stub. Once you are done, you may use a yellow marker to color it in yellow and then use green to make the bottom. Next, start off by putting your middle finger in and then tracing the shape of your hand on a white sheet of paper using a marker or any other such black pen or any other color pen as well. Do this only until you reach the base and then connect it to the bottom. Where the nails are for the ring and the pointer finger, add 2 little circles and then at the middle finger area, add a snow capping like shape. In the middle, add 2 eyes and then color it in as such. Then in the side, add 2 little shapes. This will make it look like it is the ears. A little way downwards, add a little ovular shape and then add the nose as well as a cute little smile. Once again, we are making a giraffe. Color in the nose completely in black and now color it in using yellow and brown accordingly, adjust it and measure it again if need be. For our next drawing, start off by putting the hand sideways and then tracing it out using a black marker as such. Now, use the extension and then curve it, join the bottom as such. Then on the thumb finger, add 1 dot to signify the eyes. Also add the beak as well as the top of what a hen may have. Add the little fur and the feathers as well. Coming to the fingers, slightly elongate them. Don't forget to add the wings. At the bottom, you may add 3 small circles or more than that to signify the eggs. We have chosen to do this all around. Color it in. We have used red and pink. Next, put your hand in a V shape as such using your pointer and middle finger and then keep the rest of the fingers together and trace it. In the side, add 2 leaves or a leaf-like shape and then at the top, add 2 more. This leaf-like shape will signify the ears. As for the top, add small branch-like structures. We are making a deer. Coming back to the bottom, add a small little curve at the middle and then this will be the nose. As for the eyes, draw on the eyes right underneath. Add a circle behind the smile and then on the underneath part, draw on what looks like a collar. Once you are done with this, color it in as you please. We have chosen red and brown. Thank you for watching.